Can you believe it? Just one tiny letter in the YouTube address bar changes your whole screen. Today I have this viral hiyoutube.com trick for you. I tried it live myself. No fakes. The result really surprised me. I am your PC error detective. Today we are going on an adventure to a very strange part of the internet. Ready? Let's go. People are talking a lot about this online. Some call it a hack. Others say it is a secret YouTube Easter egg. I always trust the facts. Today, we will not just watch. We will understand the technical reason. We will check the domain and who owns it. This video is perfect if you love tech. Let's go straight to the work. First, open any browser on your computer. Use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Look at the long white address bar at the top. We usually type website names there. Click once so the cursor shows up. This is the center of our test today. Make sure your internet is on. Type youtube.com in small letters in the address bar. Check the spelling. Click at the very start of the link and type a small h. Now it is hiyoutube.com. Check the spelling again. Press enter. See what happens. Look, the page is taking a moment to load. Wait for a second. Boom. This is not the normal YouTube homepage. It went straight to a specific video. I am shocked. You see, the video is about a 1952 Mickey Mantle rookie card. Look closely. The video does not start from the beginning. It starts at 13 minutes and 33 seconds. Why this video? Why this time? It is a mystery. Let's find out more. Look at the activity below the video. The views are low. Comments are also low. A viral trick usually has millions of views. Some people in the comments are surprised about youtube.com. But there is no official explanation from YouTube. This means it is likely not an official feature. Now for the real game. We will find the secret of the domain. Open a new tab. Type whoislookup in the search. I am using GoDaddy. I will put the link in the description. We will compare who owns youtube.com and hiyoutube.com. Search for youtube.com in the search field. This domain was registered on February 15, 2005. Google LLC owns it. The name server is also google.com. This is normal. Remember this info. We will check hiyoutube.com next. The difference will show the truth. Type hiyoutube.com in the search box. The info is completely different from youtube.com. It was registered on May 16, 2006. It is hosted on godaddy.com. Google does not use GoDaddy for its projects. If you look closer, the owner's name and address are hidden. This does not belong to Google or YouTube. A regular person bought this domain. They set up a redirect. When you type hiyoutube.com, it goes straight to that Mickey Mantle video. Let's try another strange link. Type eYouTube in the address bar and press enter. See what happens. It takes you to a gambling site. This is very dangerous. Your personal info could be stolen. Most sites with one extra letter added to YouTube are scams. There are thousands of domains that look real but are just traps. Always check the lock icon in the browser. Do not give your info if it is not secure. Be careful. I suggest you use incognito mode for these tests. Why do people buy these domains? It is called typosquatting. They want you to go to their site if you type the URL wrong. If you like this, watch my other videos. I solve these technical mysteries often. Subscribe to get new info directly. Owner of hiyoutube.com might just be a baseball fan. They made a redirect for fun, but the other domains are not for fun. They want to trick you. Always remember that the official domain is only youtube.com. Be careful with extra letters. Our test shows the truth. youtube.com is not a secret or a hack. A regular person bought the domain. It just redirects to an old baseball video. Many things go viral and look mysterious, but the reasons are usually simple. Stay with PC Error Detective for tech solutions and internet facts. Like the video and share it with friends. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more tech mysteries. I promise the next videos will be better. That is all for today. See you in the next video. Take care.